Khloe Kardashian and mom Kris Jenner looked glam AF in West Hollywood as cameras followed close by for their upcoming Hulu show. It may be curtains for Keeping Up with the Kardashians, but the cameras keep rolling on the Kard Jenner clan. On September 30th, Khloe Kardashian and mom Kris Jenner were spotted out and about in West Hollywood, California, leaving a furniture store and looking stylish as ever. Khloe, 37, showed off her killer physique in a dark burgundy, skin-tight catsuit with various colorful prints on it. The reality star paired her sexy outfit with a pair of pointed toe-brown pumps, sleek, dark sunglasses, and a slicked-back bun. She topped off the look with a dark mauve lip and sparkling studded earrings. By her side was momager Kris, who sported a monochromatic look that included a long, black blazer dress, black tights, and chunky black combat boots. The 65-year-old also wore black aviators and large gold hoops in her ears, carrying a woven black purse on her arm. Related gallery. Khloe Kardashian, see pics. The latest sighting of the Kardashian-Jenner family comes shortly after Khloe's sister, Kim Kardashian, promoted their new show's launch into production. Day 1, Kim captioned an Instagram story photo of a microphone on Thursday, September 23rd. The title of the series has not yet been announced, although it's thought to be similar to their hit show Keeping Up with the Kardashians and how it documented their lives. In May, Kris made an appearance on Disney Upfronts and spoke a little bit about the upcoming show. In the new show, you'll see us evolving as a family, she said at the event. Fans want us to be who we are, and since moment one, they've been emotionally invested in our show just like we are. The fans will love seeing us continue the journey. I can't say much about what's coming, but spoiler, we're going to look fabulous and everyone's going to watch. She went on to explain how partnering with Disney was a no-brainer. Disney owns the streaming service. Hulu is the perfect place for our new show since it's where you can currently catch up with every season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Hulu feels like family, and they immediately embraced the idea of a new show with such open and welcoming arms.